folks. This video is about basically selling my Harley trike. Let me show you what I got here. So this is a 1995 Heritage Softail Classic FLSTC. I put the trike kit on it. It wasn't originally a trike. I made the fenders came with the kit, but the piece in between the seat and the fender I made. This box on the back was a metal box hanging on my wall in the garage, and I made it into a trunk. It's got 22,000 miles on it. It's a 95, and I'm the only owner. It needs some work, body work. You'll see on the fender there. It's got some dents. This was before I got my new trailer. So it does need some work, body work, paint. But tires are good. Front tire's brand new. It's also got a brand new used transmission in it. A brand new 3-phase charging system, and pretty much a brand new lithium battery, 600 amps, so it starts really well, really fast, cranks really well, and runs really good. I'm just wanting something a little bit more newer, so I'm probably going to end up buying me a Can-Am. And I got a lot of spare parts and tools that are going to go with it. I'll show you those in a few minutes. But let's go ahead and crank it up. The white stuff you see here is when I pressure washed the motor. This is just wrap, and then I painted it with some kind of paint that helps hold the material together. And well, the pressure washer took it off, and I just haven't gotten around to repainting it. I will tell you that it's probably going to need a primary chain. I don't know whether I'll get a chance to change that or not, but the primary chain is stretched. It's got an aftermarket air breather on it. I'm not sure, I can't remember the carburetor. I don't know if the carburetor is stock or not, but the air breather is not stock. And here's this has got an aftermarket shift reverse gear on it. You push in on this, and then you shift it back, and it will go up. It'll go up some inclines. Like I said, it needs some work paint-wise. And this here, I'm thinking about taking this piece here off and just going back to just the fender on there. But the only problem with that is the brackets that mount the fender to the trike kit. I threw them away because I didn't think I was ever going to sell this thing. So I'm probably going to have to make some brackets, and they bolt in right there, and then they come up and mount to right here on the inside. All right, here's some of the parts and tools that I've saved for my bike. This was the old transmission. One of the gears was really messed up, but I went ahead and changed out all the gears and the shafts. And there's some more parts in here. Some of it just random, some of it I just won't get let go of. That's the oil slinger for the transmission that it no longer needs because of the reverse gear. But so here's all the parts and tools. Really only one tool, that one right there. That's to brake or torque the nuts, and you put this on the top between the gears, the teeth, and the chain, and that stops the engine from rotating. But that's about it. So anyhow, interested in buying the bike, just let me know in the comment section. I'll be heading to Moab, Utah tomorrow. Today's the 24th, I think. So hopefully I'll be in Moab on the 27th, 28th. Anyhow, that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and hopefully we'll see you again.